Okay, so to make this flame float, you are gonna need a lot of equipment. No, just a ball pen. Now take your lighter and remove the silver cap. There you will see a small spring right in the center from where the flame comes out. Then take your ball pen and with a plier or something, remove its nib. Then take the ink and apply it on the spring. Now when you put the silver cap back onto the lighter and then try it out, you will see the flame floating. Yup, you'll see the magic happening. Guys, thanks for watching, and if you liked it, hit the like button right now and comment down below whether your lighter's flame floated or not. Also, as soon as I reach 100 subs, I am gonna do a giveaway of a Belkin product. So hit that red button right now.